Hey, it's Wes Stearns. I'm not going to let this ugly April rainy day prevent me from showing you one of the most beautiful homes in Four Seasons. Let's go take a look. Hey, welcome to 3712 Russett Maple Court in Dumfries, Virginia. This is one of my favorite homes. As a realtor, every once in a while I get a house that just knocks my socks off. I'm excited to market. This is the home in wonderful Four Seasons. This living room over here, very elegant, custom blinds, hardwood floors, columns, extra height ceiling. Actually has built-in speakers in the dining room and throughout the house. All the fixtures have been updated. Wonderful open floor plan. And it's one of the largest models in the community. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. This kitchen's fantastic. You've got Corian countertops, ceramic backsplash, the upgraded appliances. Just look at this refrigerator with extra drawers and easy upper level to open up. Double oven, cooktop, microwave, everything you can need. You got a lot of upgraded maple cabinets, oversized for plenty of storage. And then the floor plan's really open. You have an eat-in kitchen. And follow me over here to this the rest of the house. If you had a long day, this is an awesome morning room. There's French doors, a fan, vaulted ceiling, speakers here with recessed lights. Very relaxing, beautiful ceramic tile. It's a great room to relax in. I'm in the master bedroom. What I love, you're on the main level, no steps. This is very spacious. It also has speakers, a tray ceiling, custom blinds, very elegant hardwood floors. The master bath is pretty spectacular also, along with the large walk-in closet. Just down the hall from the master bath is a wonderful powder room for all your guests. We also have an additional bedroom that's very spacious, along with a home office. Let me show you the office. Presently, this is being used as a home office. It's beautiful, hardwood floors, these custom cherry cabinets. They also have closet organizers in here for bookshelves, files, etc. But you could easily convert this back to another bedroom if you wish. Just to top it off with this house, you almost have another 2,200 square feet in the basement. Down here, this room's being used as a game room with ping pong. It could be another bedroom, although it doesn't have the full-size window. And on this side, another room just as large. You could add another bedroom. So right now, you have 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. You could easily add 2 more bedrooms. This house has a huge rec room, so you can imagine having an extended family, the grandchildren, a big party room. You've got a bar, plenty of room for game tables, and a huge rec room. There's also more speakers built in. It also has a walkout basement with a patio. Lots of room and good natural light in this area. I'm in the 4th bedroom. This one's in the basement. Adjacent to it is a full bath, and this room has a huge walk-in closet. Thanks for coming to Russett Maple. This is one of my favorite houses on the market. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do.